Good morning, children.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How was your weekend?
It's fine.
Yes. Today we are going to teach about a noun. Our topic today in English is what?
A noun.
Our topic today in English is what?
A noun.
What is a noun? Some people may say a noun is a name of a person, animal, place, or things. While others say a noun is a name of any person, animals, place, or things. So each and every one of them are what? The same thing. Anyone you give as an example is the same thing. I am very, very sure that this guy is not in school today. Onyozi.
God have mercy upon us.
That guy can never take things. Now,
Look at my face.
we said a noun is a name of any person, animal, place, or hey, come back here. Come back here.
God have mercy.
Auntie, good morning.
What's that your name is? Onyegini. What's the name? Onyozi.
Yes, auntie.
Hi. What's the meaning of your name? Because I am very sure name work for people. What's the meaning of that name? You did not see Michael. You didn't see Great. You didn't see any name that can sound well on that name. And we still the same your cap used to. Like what? I don't know whether you are a herbalist or your grandfather is an herbalist. I don't know. I don't have your time. Why are you always coming late to school?
Auntie, man water.
Speak it in English.
Man water, auntie. Man water.
I say translate your language to English.
Look at my face.
He cannot even speak English. How will principal will just be?
Why are you laughing?
How dare you spank someone in my class?
I don't want peace.
You cannot even speak English and you are spanking somebody in the class. Keep quiet. Look at them. How old are you? How old are you? Look at, just look at. Others in my class. The only thing that is missing is just that cap. Nothing. Onyozi! Don't even spank anybody because I will take police to arrest you. Hey, don't touch any street. It's like you're joining him.
Now you go to my home.
Eh? Just look at. Okay, no problem. Our topic today is what?
Now.
Our topic today is what?
A noun.
Now we are going to ask him what a noun is because he's not even used to come to school early.
Continue.
Onyozi, or what is your name? What is a noun?
A noun.
Yes, a noun.
Or in the Bible. Or in the board.
This is English language and this is board. What is a noun?
A noun.
Look at it. You are looking at it as if you don't even know what is happening. This is a noun. What is a noun?
This is a noun.
Stop repeating what I am. Oh God. What is going to body boy is this guy? Can you ever learn? Repeat after me. A noun is.
A noun is.
Stop touching the board. Just to repeat.
Okay.
A noun is.
A noun is.
A name of.
Another hotel.
You don't ask them. I'm one teaching you. Oh yes, spell your name.
Afam.
He cannot even spell his name. Please, you need to leave my class today. And you have been in this school for 4 years. Spell come. I cannot even spell come. Who can spell come?
C-O-M.
C-O. C-O. You should walk out from my class.
Come.
Hi. He said what? Is all come? No! But this is English language.
You get it?
You cannot even say what is a noun. You cannot tell me examples of a noun. You can't even spell your name. Have you been in this school for 4 good years? Please, you should tell him what a noun. Who can tell him what a noun is?
A noun is a name of anything, animal, place, or thing.
But you see, what is a noun? They have told you.
A noun is place and animal.
Hi, Will you don't even try. Did you see any of your mates here? I don't know why principal even admitted you to this school. Obviously, do you know what? I'm going to speak to the principal about you. You're not going to come to this school again. I said, go out from this.
You heard her. You heard her.
We shall come back here.
No.
I tell you, my come on, yeah.
No, you didn't give us.
Hey, your money, I'll
And
come on.
after school, you can come and have
Yes.
You can take it inside.
Go.
Hey, your money, I'll come on.
Please don't be silent. No noise, please. Oh, you see, hey, not even here.
Auntie, but you didn't give me anything. Auntie, please. You didn't give me anything.
What's from my class? You can't even spell your name.
You
You cannot spell anything. Go away from this.